Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that I used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, this morning I want to show you guys on what perfect ways I've taken on my boom 150 on 30-minute time frames. So we can see here that we have our downtrend at this particular area, which indicates our orange our yellow circle orange at this particular area, and this should be our perfect entry to enter our trade. You see, this should be our perfect time to enter our trade. You can see that. So on taking this our trade, and this will be our take profit of one. Just imagine of how much capital you will have take on these 30-minute time frames from this particular area to this particular area. You can see that this will be our take profit of 1, and if this particular price does not break this level on the uptrend, then you keep on waiting for the what for the take profit of 2, which is going to be around here. We can see that it does not break it again, and we keep on watching again for more taking profit level. So this is going to be our take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4 and 5. You can see that. So now currently we are having another arrow indicate to us an uptrend here. If we check it very well now, we will see that this particular arrow appear at this particular area first, and that's why I could enter a trade at this particular area. You can see from this particular area, you can see the trade moving on a uptrend up to this level before there is a pullback that break this level, and once it break this level, this particular arrow is going to reprint to on this particular level. It's going to reprint this particular level. So this serves as another opportunity for me to enter a trade. So if we check this particular trade on 5-minute time frames, I've already explained to you on 5 minutes. I make a video of it on 5-minute time frames, and that is how I close my trade here. I have my closing entry of taking profits on 5-minute time frames to close at this particular area, and that's why I could take the trade from here to here, and that is how I make a profit with this particular indicator. So this indicator is very smart. Is what you can use on 5-minute time frames, is what you can use on 30-minute time frames, and it helps you to boost your performance on daily trading. So if you add this indicator with what you are having already before, it's going to direct you into a profitable path. So this indicator is very wonderful, and it is very smart to have. This is the perfect indicator I do use every day. So if you need this particular indicator, all what you need to do is to reach me on my Telegram, and I'm going to get access to you. So this is how this strategy works. So and also I have my Telegram group where I do drop signals and updates on how everything works on boom and crash index. So you can also join the groups and get access to me, and we can discuss more on how to get this lifetime license indicator. Thanks guys. So see you guys on our next video. Thanks.